Hey everybody, I've had a lot of conversations lately around buying a home, which is really exciting. I know it's a very tough time right now to try and buy a first home or maybe even a second home. And the conversations typically are revolving around what's the principal and interest for the mortgage. And hopefully we're also talking about insurance and escrow. But let's not forget a really almost as important factor, maintenance. So if you're trying to calculate how much maintenance costs are going to be for a home, there's a couple of rules of thumb out there. Maybe try to have at least 1% of the home's value tucked away for maintenance over the year, or maybe $1 per square foot. For example, if you have a 2,000 square foot home, try to have at least $2,000 at all times for maintenance costs. But I just wanted to bring this up because when we're creating a financial plan, when we're trying to figure out cash flow, let's not forget about your biggest asset. Most of the time is going to be your home. So let's take care of it and let's make sure that we go into that with realistic expectations. If you have any questions around this topic, I'm going to put a link down below to a great blog article that we did. And of course, if you want to connect, let me know. Thanks so much.